Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
He then started towards the north, treading the path accepted by his forefathers and great men, to devote himself completely to the thought of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And he lived in that way wherever he went. It is understood from this verse that Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir followed in the footsteps of his forefathers and the great devotees of the Lord. We have discussed many times before that the system of Varnashram Dham, as it was strictly followed by the inhabitants of the world, specifically by those who inhabited the Aryavat province of the world, emphasizes the importance of leaving all household connections at a certain stage of life. The training and education was so imparted, and thus a respectable person like Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir had to leave all family connection for self-realization and going back to Godhead. No king or respectable gentleman would continue family life till the end, because that was considered suicidal and against the interest of the perfection of human life. In order to be free from all family encumbrances and devote oneself 100% in the devotional service of Lord Krishna, this system is always recommended for everyone, because it is the path of authority. The Lord instructs in the Bhagavad Gita that one must become a devotee of the Lord at least at the last stage of one's life. A sincere soul of the Lord like Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir must abide by this instruction of the Lord for his own interest. The specific words Brahmaparam indicate Lord Sri Krishna. This is corroborated in the Bhagavad Gita by Arjuna with reference to great authorities like Asita, Devala, Narad and Vyas. Thus Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir, while leaving home for the north, constantly remembered Lord Sri Krishna within himself, following in the footsteps of his forefathers as well as the great devotees of all times.